Today we are at the Willie waterfall in the Volta region of Ghana. Ghana is in West Africa, if you don't know. If you want to come see this for yourself, I recommend you do. Just contact us, send us an email, and we'll show you exactly how to get here. And I bet you it'll be worth it. It's very breathtaking. I don't know how beautiful it is on camera, but in real life, it's almost unbelievable. It's surreal. Like, I can't believe I'm standing here right now. I wish I brought my swimming clothes to just like take my clothes off and get all the way in there. Hi guys, we're the Packlight family, Kodwo, Gigi, and Sky, and we are traveling currently in West Africa, Ghana, where we're touring the whole country. The goal is to explore new places, new sites, interesting attractions, to learn more about the country, and also to inspire people to love, to care, to give. If you're new to our channel, you can look at previous videos to see some of the things we've done. Anyway, as you can see, we're bumping up and down on this road. We're trying to get from the northern region of Ghana to the Volta region of Ghana. So the northern is up and Volta is kind of on the side. If you pull a map of Ghana, you can see what I mean. But we're driving, and this road here is all dirt, all dirt. It's not a constructed tarred road or anything like that. And so it's pretty tough to get through it. Sky, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, toys.
Sky just wants to talk about his toys because I think he misses all his toys that he left back home. He doesn't have much with him here, so he's basically just talking about his toys.
Yeah, well, this area, as Gigi said, is the road between northern region to Volta. Yeah, and so far I think it's the bumpiest yet. What's interesting is you will have a short span of good road, but then a blockage of dirt, like sand, which will make you have to, bear up on, for lack of a better word, the sidewalk, the dirty sidewalk, to continue.
We've ended up in a hotel in the Volta region. I don't even remember the name of the village we're in. So the roads we took today were really dusty. It's like red sand. Everything got really dirty. Kodwo just finished cleaning that suitcase. This suitcase had red dust on it. Kodwo just wiped it down. And I'm wiping our shoes because they're super dirty. I mean, I won't get them squeaky clean, but at least I'll get some of this red sand off of it so we look decent tomorrow. We're like brown now. The road was really rough. This is the worst we've seen since we've been in Ghana. I mean, it was all dirt road and it was like bumpy, shaky. But I must say today was one of the hardest days for me. I don't know about you, Kodwo, but the drive here was pretty rough.
Yeah, it was.
And besides being bad, it was quiet with bushes, and then it got dark. I got so nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I couldn't even close my eyes. I didn't take a single nap. My eyes were wide open and I was praying the whole time. That's what I thought. Oh, thank you so much. So this place is in the middle of nowhere. Apparently there are restaurants in the town, which is like 15-20 minutes away. I don't feel like dealing with it. I'm fine with just Milo and bread. So we're just gonna do Milo and bread. Sky loves Milo and bread, so he's excited to get the Milo.
Yeah.
This is Nido. This is called Nido. It's a powdered milk. People love here. It's rich, it's good. It tastes really good. I personally don't like eating it anymore. I used to love it, but it's cow milk, and I'm trying to cut down on cow milk. And also, it will make you fart. I'm just saying, it will make you fart. So it tastes good though. I don't know. We're just gonna set out early in the morning. We're gonna have our meals, take showers, and go to bed. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because Sky just acts up when he sees the camera. Let me put mosquito repellent on you.
Why are you putting mosquito repellent on me?
So you don't get a bug bite.
Like I already did. Mosquito repellent!
Mosquitoes are coming. We've got to be prepared. If we protect ourselves, we don't have to be scared.
Daddy, this is not chopstick. It's lip balm.
The same thing. Okay, so I got this case for my MacBook Pro. I got it right off Amazon. I got everything off Amazon. Hey.
Kids, you get a little bit tired. You have to stop what you're doing. You put it in yours? That's not okay for you. That's
Oh, the
sugar's
coffee
not
is
okay.
bitter, that's why I haven't.
Sugar's not okay
I didn't
for
put
you.
sugar in yours, Sky. Morning from where we are in the Volta region of Ghana. It's about maybe 8 a.m. 8 a.m. And we're about to head off to a place in the Volta region called Kodwo, and it's very close to Hohoi. That's where we're heading this morning to see some children. This hotel is called Penske Hotel. We kind of just stumbled on it after going through a really dark, like bumpy road, and we saw it and we were like, wait, it's a hotel.
Looked like an oasis.
Exactly, it was like an oasis that appeared out of nowhere, and it was getting late. It was probably like 8:30 p.m. Hopefully we'll be able to make it to Wheat Falls, and it's a waterfall. Apparently it's a hidden gem. You have to walk. A car can't get there, so you have to walk about an hour or so to get to it. The night last night, right there.
Yeah, right there, KJB.
And now where are we?
We are at Afegame.
We're at that Afegame.
Yeah.
That's where the Wheat Falls is. Stand right here, stand up. Stand up.
So now when we are down from here, we go back to Pando. This hole. So you go to through hole to Pando.
This is Hohoi.
Hohoi, sorry, through Hohoi to Pando. Then from Pando you go through to
Keta.
Keta.
Okay, let's go. They're ready to go. Started the walk. We just started walking up to the waterfall, the Wee waterfall. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little nervous. But that's the whole point of this trip, to break away from all fears.
I don't see people walking.
I don't know what's ahead. It looks like a pretty small path, but we're going anyway. At the end of this crooked, rough path, there is a beautiful waterfall, and we are willing to go through it.
What's that? What's that?
No, it's a pear, sweet pear, whatever it is.
Oh, okay.
The fruits. Yeah. But we heard something going through these bushes.
Just a lizard or something.
not a great idea. I wanna.
Okay, this is what we wanted to request from Coco. Yes.
Can I buy some? This is a real cocoa pod, okay? This is where chocolate comes from. So if you open it, it's sweet inside. It has these seeds. I used to eat it as a little girl. I'm so glad I found it. I've been looking for it.
Oh, bye-bye.
But this stuff, this stuff right here is very healthy, natural antioxidant.
Crack. Can you break it, Mommy?
Cocoa.
You want you to break it?
I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky.
But we have about a 40-minute walk, so we'll be walking this long trail up, you know, to the top. And right now we're standing in front of it's a mahogany tree, and apparently this tree, if you cut it, if you have a stomachache, you cut the bark and you boil it and drink it. That's actually medicine.
We're about 20 minutes into our walk, maybe more. I don't know, but we probably have another 20 to go.
Another 20? Oh no!
Can you see that? A glimpse of it.
You see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally.
You're like swimming.
I know, right? That would be cool. We should have prepared for that. I know, right? We need to spend the whole day here.
Yeah.
I think we should get in it.
Yeah.
We don't have towels though. Go in your underwear.
Yeah, we have to put our underwear.
Like this, some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people search forever for that one.
What did you just say?
I think we should stay here forever.
You want to stay here forever? Why? Look how clear. Look how clear this water is.
How fun.
And it has no stench. Like it doesn't smell or anything.
In my heart will sing how great is our God.
Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more like this. And also, if you want to come with us next time, just send us an email. We'll just feel like more people need to see this. This is too good to keep to ourselves. We want to share it. Miagadogo. That's how you say bye-bye in Ewe. Ewe is the language the people here speak. So we just want to say Miagadogo. Akpe. Back to our car now. For me, this particular experience, it's like a fear thing for me, but I did it anyway, even though I was scared, and it was so worth it. Seeing that waterfall was worth it. So I just want to tell you, don't let your fears hold you back, because there is a beautiful waterfall of success waiting for you at the end of the woods. Like when you see people successfully doing stuff, it doesn't mean they don't have fears. They have fears, but in spite of their fears, they keep going, they keep trying.
Make sure you follow Solom, the traveling photographer.
He's been very helpful to
Instagram.
us.
He's great with us, you know, very helpful to us. Part of the team, but he has awesome pictures on his Instagram page also. The traveling photographer, right?
Sure.
We just arrived at the Catholic hospital in Pando. From the Reef Falls, from the magnificent Reef Falls, we drove to Pando. It was a rough road, but we're here now.
To introduce myself, I'm an HIV positive guy for about 14 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, but I've been on the drug for 10 years. Yeah, so I've been organizing the people to make a group called Love Association. And then because of stigma, stigma is the whole thing,
The biggest problem.
biggest problem facing our nation right now. So, you know, we've lost of many people are dead, and then people too are lost of follow-up. When they come for drugs, they go and dump in somewhere because they don't want to come for somebody to see them. So we keep encouraging them.
Biggest issues is the stigma.
Stigma.
Because of the stigma, people hide and they spread it.
They spread it.
Yeah,
They spread
because
it.
they can't talk about it. And
It's very bad.
yeah,
If somebody gets to know that you're HIV positive,
it's like they just push
and
it.
that means you are out.
Wow.
Because the woman is HIV positive, both of them, and the children too are positive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Biggest challenge now. Food. Getting food for the kids. That's your hardest problem. Eh? But what's her biggest issue?
Her issue, I would say, is financially it's very difficult. Because I think if you have something small for the kid to take to school and then have lunch and evening, but unless she goes to farm, I would suggest maybe funding of the education and then like some nutrition, something to keep the body healthier.
So what we've been discussing in some of the places we've been is to set the women up in business so that they can make money and take care of their children well. So the children can go to school, they can afford to pay for their school, good food, you know?
Want them to be working so that, because it's not every day that you can come and give them money or food. So when you give them capital, they can start with it. But they need monitoring. Because if
They
you don't
need
monitor
training
them,
on how to run the business.
Yes.
So I guess maybe they can follow us back to the car.
Yeah, we can all go back
We'll
to
go
the
back.
car.
We'll go back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yes, I shall live. I will testify to love. I'll be a witness in the silences.
We are
Blow your things
thanking
and say thank you,
Park,
Papa.
the Charlotte Lights and then the Park Light family for this very nice gesture. I'm at the Volta branch. I would like to be helping the people because many of them, because of the stigma, you can't find them. It's my will for the people to go and search for them, to bring them on board so that they will not die quickly. I need everybody alive. So I need even a used vehicle or a used van so that I can be tracing them. Because tracing can help us more so that these people will not die from us. I think that will help us too. Yeah. Thank you.